Well, Sunset Theatre, Wells, BC, built 1934, had quite an illustrious career. It was the first official gaming house in all of BC, and there's places on the floor down there where people pointed out to me that's where they used to have the blackjack table, and you could still the cigarette butts burnt on the floor. Built by, not exclusively by Fred Wells, but when the whole area of Wells got developed, Fred Wells had the perception that it needed more than just stuff for miners, more than just bars and things, and a theatre would be a good thing. As of the late 1990s, it was pretty well in decay, physical, not much happening in here, and considered fit for bulldozing. My wife bought it, and Karen bought it in 1999, and away we went. And so for the last little while, we've been rebuilding this, doing the seats, refurnishing it, getting programming going. It's not a year-round operation, but it's getting more and more more and more people are coming from outside of Wells. Originally, we just thought the local people, but now lots and lots of people passing through. We used to think we'd catch the tail end of people going to Barkerville. Now we like to think people come here and go to Barkerville on the side. So it's got a very broad mandate. We're not just working with, Shakespearean plays or whatever. It's right across the board, variety of stuff, and we provide a service here that I think is absolute one-off in this province. And we love the space, and we love the people who come here. Every artist is overjoyed to perform here. Every audience member tends to be thrilled at what they see and recommend it, so it's growing, and we're moving